Welcome learner, I am Suraj Rakwal and today I am going to discuss about the physical features of India, in which we will be discussing about the island groups of India. If you keenly observe the map of India, you can find small island groups in Arabian Sea and in Bay of Bengal. You can find some small size landform in the Arabian Sea and in the Bay of Bengal. Dear children, these small size landscapes are the island. These are the island, and you all know that island is a landmass which is surrounded by the water bodies on all its sides. Learners, India has two groups of island. One is the Lakshadweep and the other is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So let us now discuss about the Lakshadweep Island. The children, Lakshadweep Island is situated in Arabian Sea, and these islands are small islands and are lesser in number. The children, you can find that the Lakshadweep Islands are few miles away from the Malabar coast of the western coastal plain. Dear children, the Lakshadweep Islands are smaller in number. There are 36 islands in Lakshadweep island groups. And earlier, these islands were known as Laka Dive, the Minicoy, and the Amin Dive. In 1973, these were named as the Lakshadweep. These islands cover a small area of about 32 square kilometers. Kavaratti Island is the capital of the Lakshadweep Islands. Dear children, the Lakshadweep Islands are of the coral origin. Now, what are corals? Corals are the short-lived microscopic organisms which live in colonies. They flourish in shallow, mud-free and warm waters. They secrete calcium carbonate. The coral secretion and the skeletons form from coral deposits in the form of a reef. The children, there are three kinds of reefs: bearing reefs, fringing reefs, and atolls. The Great Barrier Reefs of Australia is a good example of the first kind of coral reefs. The children, atolls are the circular or horseshoe shaped coral reefs. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. The Piti Island, which is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary. Now you can see the elongated chain of islands located in Bay of Bengal extending from north to south. These are Andaman and Nicobar Island. They are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. The entire groups of island is divided into two broad categories: the Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south. It is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of the submarine mountains. So these are the mountains under the Bay of Bengal. Dear children, these islands are of great strategic importance. Now I want to make it clear that these islands are of volcanic origin. Dear children, the most famous volcano is the Barren Island. You can find an active volcano in Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Dear children, as I told you that these are the mountains, these are the submarine mountains, the mountains under the water bodies. Now children, this groups of islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, are separated by the 10-degree channel. So you can see that toward the north of the 10-degree channel we have Andaman Islands, and toward the south of the 10-degree channel we have the Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are very much rich in flora and fauna. The climate is equatorial with thick forest cover. With this topic, that is the island groups of India, we have come to an end of the chapter, the physical features of India. I hope you have learned it. The children, keep learning, keep enjoying. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.